好，咁我哋咧會睇下呢個 Law of Diminishing Marginal Returns 啦。咁就當你見到呢啲題目嗰陣時候咧，我哋必須要識得去揾翻個 marginal product 嘅，係啦。咁同埋會講一講咧呢條 law 咧，其實有邊幾個位係好緊要噶啦，要記得啦。咁你記得呢條 Law of Diminishing Marginal Returns，我哋做題目嗰陣時候咧，咁就係通常佢會嗌你 state the law 嘅。就算佢唔嗌你 state the law 咧，其實你都係要用嗰條 law 咧嚟到去回應翻題目裡面嘅一啲內容嘅。咁究竟條 law 係啲咩呢？咁條 law 咧，大家仲記得嘅話咧，就會係當越嚟越多嘅可變生產要素啦 （variable factors） 啦。咁所以呢度我哋一定係要係 more， 即係你可以 more units of variable factors are added successively 啦，或者你可以用 more and more variable factors。係啦，咁你一定要講到佢係越嚟越多嘅，即係 more and more， 或者用 successively 啊，或者 continuously 啊呢啲字眼啦。如果你 miss 咗呢個字咧，或者 miss 咗 more and more 咧，咁佢呢度就會即係你就會冇咗呢一分啦。咁所以要留意，一定要講到係 variable factors 啦，同埋佢係 more and more 或者係 successively 咁樣去加入去。咁加落去啲咩度咧？Added successively to a given quantity of fixed factors。咁第二個好重要咧，就係一定必須要講到係佢有 fixed factor 嘅，因為佢淨喺 short run 先會出現嘅啫嘛。係啦，咁呢個 law of diminishing marginal return 一定係 short run 啦。咁如果你見到佢係 long run 嘅情況咧，咁佢就唔會出現 law of diminishing marginal returns 啦。咁最尾我哋講到咧係個 the marginal product 係啦，呢個要講到係個 marginal product of this factor will eventually diminish。OK， 佢最尾會跌啦，一定係 marginal product 啦。Given other factors being constant， 係啦，即係其他因素不變嘅時候。好啦，咁呢，所以呢，當我哋即係你 state 完條 law 啦，你記得嗰幾樣嘢啦。第一就係 more and more variable factors 啦。第二就係佢係有一個 given quantity of fixed factor 啦。第三就係佢係個 marginal product 會 diminish。OK， 第四就係 given other factors being constant， 係啦。咁跟住之後呢，我哋第一件事呢就要睇一個表裡面究竟有冇 fixed factor 先嘅。咁所以你見到呢一度呢，佢 land 同埋 labour 呢其實都係 fix 嘅，係 land 同 labour 都係 fix 嘅。咁個 variable 呢其實就會擺咗喺個 fertilizers 嗰度，係啦。咁跟住之後呢，我哋就可以睇啦。哦，咁佢有 fix 呢，咁你就可以計數啦。如果冇 fix 嘅話呢，你就可以直接話 OK，佢因為冇 fix factor，所以佢已經唔符合唔符合呢條 law 啦。OK，咁我哋跟住之後呢，就見到佢有 total output of vegetables 啦。咁所以我哋就要揾翻個 marginal product 或者 marginal output 啦。咁個 marginal output 呢，咁你第一個單位呢個0啦，所以唔使理佢啦。OK。咁跟住之後1嘅時候呢，咁就係我哋自己嗰個 total output 減上面之前嘅，即係我而家係多一個 fertilizer 會多幾多啊嘛，咁所以就會係70減30係40啦，跟住之後呢個就會係120減70呢個係50啦，跟住呢個又會變翻40啦。咁你計到佢有跌落嚟嗰個位呢，其實就已經 OK 噶啦，係啊，即係你計到佢邊個位跌落嚟。咁我哋就可以 mark 翻低佢先 ，OK。第二去到第三個 fertilizer 嘅時候呢，個 marginal product 就50跌到40啦。好啦，咁我哋下面呢就要寫翻啦。咁佢係可以係 apply 嘅，OK， 條 law 係 apply 嘅 ，yes 啦。When the number of fertilizer， 咁你講翻係嗰個 variable factors 啦 ，increase from 2 to 3 units, the marginal product of fertilizer drops from 50 to 40 units。係啦，so the law of diminishing marginal returns holds。係啦，咁你就完成㗎啦。咁所以你留意嗰啲分數嘅位置呢，就會係你一定要講到佢係幾多跌到幾多啦。即係佢個 variable factors 係幾多升到幾多啦，跟住之後個 marginal product 係幾多跌到幾多嘅，即係呢個你必須要清楚講到 佢由邊個單位增加嘅時候，佢就會下跌啦。咁你記得黐住個單位啦，即係2去到3啦，跟住50去到40啦，你就唔好2去到4喎，即係你唔好跳喎。係因為跳咗你唔知中間其實佢點解會，即係佢係咪真係跌㗎嘛？咁佢唔清晰嘅，咁所以你係要黐住佢咁啱跌嗰個單位啦。咁你就係啦，咁樣答呢就會係好完整咁樣去答咗呢個 Law of Diminishing Marginal Returns 嘅題目啦。咁我哋呢睇多2題啦。咁其中一題呢，你會見到呢一題98年第4題呢題呢，佢都係問啦，I state the law of diminishing marginal returns 啦，咁都係同頭先一樣啦，就係講翻嗰幾樣嘢啦。More and more variable factors added to a given quantity of fixed factor 啦，嘅 marginal product will decrease，given other factors being constant。咁但係跟住之後呢，問你呢 explain whether the above data illustrate the law。咁你呢見到呢一度呢，呢一個情況呢，佢全部都係 variable 嘅。咁所以咧你就唔使計數㗎啦，咁你就可以直接話因為其實佢呢個全部都係 variable 嘅時候呢，咁即係話其實佢係喺 long run 啊嘛，咁所以佢就唔會出現 law of diminishing marginal returns 嘅。好啦，咁我哋跟住呢睇多一題啦，咁就係好咁。如果有另一個 case 呢，就係佢俾個 average 嚟。今次佢俾個 average 嚟嘅，咁我哋點揾呢？嗱，佢都係有 fix 啦。你首先要 check 下有冇 fix 啦。OK， 有 fix 有 variable， 跟住佢俾個 average 喎。咁我哋第一步呢，就要將佢變翻做 total product 先，因為我哋揾 marginal product 呢，必須要喺 total product 先揾到 marginal product 嘅。咁所以第一步一定係要變翻做 total 啦，跟住再揾marginal 啦。咁所以呢個係210啦。跟住之後你就計翻下面嗰幾條數先啦，咁就會係272、333、390同埋440嘅，係啦。咁跟住我哋又可以計翻個 marginal product 啦。係啦，咁你其實已經見到佢跌㗎啦，咁就 OK 㗎啦，即係你計到佢跌就得㗎啦。咁跟住我哋又係 state 翻啦，當佢嗰個 variable factors increase from 8 to 9嘅時候呢，咁佢個 marginal product 呢就62跌到61啦。咁你就可以寫翻呢條 law 呢都係 illustrate 得到嘅咁樣。